66 million years ago, Earth ruled by giants suddenly changed forever. But what force could erase an empire that had survived for over 160 million years? High above the peaceful planet, a mountain-sized asteroid raced silently through space. No living creature below could see what was coming. At this moment, life continued as usual below. The countdown to the greatest mass extinction had already begun. Today, scientists agree an asteroid struck Earth. Yet exactly how the extinction unfolded is still being investigated through remarkable evidence. The rocks hide a terrifying story written across the entire planet. The first clue begins with a single mysterious layer beneath our feet. That mysterious layer contains unusually high amounts of iridium, a metal rare on Earth's surface but common in asteroids. It became the first major clue. Confirmed evidence points to a colossal impact crater beneath Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. It is known today as the Chicxulub crater. Travel back 66 million years. Tropical forests stretch to the horizon, while giant dinosaurs dominated rivers, plains, and coastlines. Flowering plants, insects, birds, and countless reptiles formed a thriving ecosystem. Few signs suggested that this world was nearing its end. Yet beyond the blue sky, the asteroid continued its unstoppable journey. The peaceful world below had no chance to prepare. Scientists estimate the asteroid measured about 10 to 15 kilometers across. Its speed made it one of the most destructive objects ever to strike Earth. As the asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere, the sky ignited with blinding light. The final seconds before impact had begun. The impact released energy far beyond humanity's most powerful nuclear weapons. Confirmed evidence shows it reshaped Earth's future forever. A fireball exploded across the horizon, while shock waves raced faster than sound. Survival became almost impossible near the impact. The first minutes unleashed unimaginable destruction. But the deadliest consequences were only beginning to spread across the entire planet. The impact hurled trillions of tons of rock high above the atmosphere. Molten debris soon began falling back toward Earth. As the debris re-entered the atmosphere, the sky glowed like a global furnace. Forests across distant continents ignited almost simultaneously. Towering tsunamis crashed across nearby coastlines, while earthquakes shook the planet. Every ecosystem faced a different form of destruction. Confirmed evidence suggests thick dust and soot spread through the atmosphere. Sunlight faded, and Earth's climate began changing with terrifying speed. Scientists call this an impact winter, supported by strong evidence. Yet some researchers continue studying how much volcanic activity also intensified the crisis. Without sunlight, photosynthesis nearly stopped. Plants withered, and the foundation of Earth's food chains began collapsing. Plant-eating dinosaurs struggled to find food. As they weakened, the predators that depended on them also faced starvation. Within months, ecosystems unraveled across the globe. Countless species disappeared before they had any chance to recover. Confirmed fossils reveal that not every creature vanished. Small mammals, birds, crocodilians, and turtles endured where many giants could not. Why did some species survive while the mighty dinosaurs disappeared? The search for that answer leads to an unexpected scientific breakthrough. Scientists compared fossils from many continents. A global pattern emerged, showing the extinction happened with astonishing speed. Rock layers revealed shattered quartz crystals formed under immense pressure. This confirmed an impact powerful enough to transform the planet. Then another clue appeared as tiny glass spheres buried worldwide. They formed when rock melted instantly during the impact. Most researchers now agree the asteroid caused the extinction. However, scientists still debate how volcanic eruptions may have intensified the catastrophe. The evidence was finally connecting into one remarkable story. Yet one mystery remained. How did this disaster shape the future of life itself? As darkness slowly lifted, the survivors entered a transformed world. Every remaining species now faced a new battle for survival. Small mammals adapted quickly by eating varied foods and sheltering underground. Their flexibility became a decisive advantage. Many scientists conclude these survivors eventually gave rise to countless modern mammals. Humanity's distant story may have begun here. Birds also survived because they were small, adaptable, and resourceful. They remain the closest living descendants of dinosaurs. The extinction did not simply end an age. It opened the door for an entirely different future, leading to an astonishing discovery. The greatest twist was never the asteroid itself. It was how one catastrophic day permanently redirected the evolution of life. Confirmed fossil evidence reveals dinosaurs did not disappear completely. One remarkable lineage survived and still flies above us today. The idea once seemed impossible. Decades of fossil discoveries gradually changed scientific understanding beyond recognition. Some details remain uncertain, and scientists continue testing new evidence. That willingness to question keeps our understanding growing. The mystery was no longer about whether an asteroid struck Earth. It had become a deeper question about why life recovered at all. Layer by layer, the rocks preserved Earth's darkest chapter. Together, they formed a timeline that scientists could finally read. Satellite imaging, drilling, and fossil evidence pointed to the same conclusion. Independent discoveries strengthened one extraordinary explanation. The evidence overwhelmingly supports a giant asteroid as the primary cause. Researchers still investigate how other environmental stresses may have contributed. Every new fossil adds another piece to this ancient puzzle. The story continues to grow more detailed with every discovery. The investigation had connected nearly every clue. One final revelation remained before the mystery could truly be solved. The final investigation united geology, physics, chemistry, and paleontology. Independent evidence pointed to the same extraordinary conclusions. Confirmed evidence shows the Chicxulub impact triggered a global environmental collapse. It became the primary driver of the dinosaurs' extinction. Some questions remain open, including the exact influence of massive volcanic eruptions. Ongoing research continues refining the complete picture. The mystery was never solved by one discovery alone. Thousands of clues, collected over decades, revealed the truth, piece by piece. At last, the evidence formed one powerful story. Yet its greatest lesson reaches far beyond the age of dinosaurs. The extinction of the dinosaurs was not just an ending. It became the beginning of a completely different chapter in Earth's history. Over millions of years, surviving mammals diversified into countless forms. Eventually, one lineage developed the intelligence to uncover this ancient mystery. Today, every fossil reminds us that even the mightiest rulers of Earth were not invincible. Nature can change the course of life forever. The rocks still guard secrets beneath our feet. Future discoveries may refine today's understanding, but the evidence already tells an extraordinary story. One asteroid changed the destiny of Earth forever. Its legacy still echoes through every living creature alive today. The end of the dinosaurs was never just about extinction. It was the turning point that reshaped the future of life on Earth forever. This story reminds us that even the greatest civilizations of nature can vanish. Survival belongs to those that adapt when the world changes. Millions of years later, humanity uncovered this ancient mystery through science. Every fossil became another page in Earth's extraordinary history. Some mysteries have been solved, while others still await discovery. The next great chapter may already be hidden beneath our feet. This is Dark Files. If you enjoyed uncovering Earth's greatest mysteries, subscribe and join us for the next investigation. Until then, stay curious.